The biggest challenge in creating a product strategy, I find, is that we actually make it much more complicated than it needs to be. We tend to spend a lot of time upfront doing lots of market research, gathering lots of data, having lots of conversations. And by the time we actually put the product strategy together, maybe several months later, the market may have gone on forward from you, and your customers' needs are always changing. I think that it's far better if you actually start with what you know, create the product strategy as kind of a draft, a baseline, and then get your stakeholders engaged with that, and then test and iterate over time. That way you'll be able to basically get a product strategy you can all live with, and then instead of doing all this upfront work, you can iterate and test from there. What should be the mindset of any product manager thinking about their product strategy is to start with the customer first. It is so essential to think about what the problem statement is, what the customer, the what, the who, the why. Really making sure that you're clear on what is the problem you're trying to solve and why the product that you're proposing should exist. Stay in problem mode. Don't go into solution mode. The moment you immediately shift into defining all of the parts of your product, you've already gone beyond where you should be. So really understanding the problem up front is the most important thing, and taking that customer-centric view. That's the best possible mindset. You rarely can go wrong if you start there.